Rather Daruma, Kofi, Vivia Boko. Most want to say
Nyamiadum. Konongo, I'm just a mobile Juma na Nyamin Shramonso. Anope concern kakra yenye free ho and enye adefofro trafficker over the period eche ewo Konongo Krunim. What me identify who are the crow? Dientra.
Yo, Kofi, said the auditor Busano, no question me. Traffic situation our campus. Baby can I mention what you feel in can cast Asante Akim Central for Mutim. Kofi said they will come traffic situation our konongo. Who want to accept a buy and ache me cast me team the entire traffic in all me did this a better for me. But in person can say when there is a problem, the best thing I ever see a better solution to the problem. Fortunately for us now. And me no kasa no and mo ani mo ye the measures be brave akwan mu a ye wa kwan hodo bi a ye fa so a yi traffic so a eno wo konongo kro no amu mo amatena konongo na mafa konongo a motatena ha ye wa kwan a enam konongo Udumase secondary school ha sisi eba ye yi atuma e bi pie wo alisti e pie kro ne echi a se obi firi Kumase besen akọ na onko ye hwe e wo konongo mu a obetumi afa ho eche so ena e obi nso a so onso firi nkran besen akọ Kumase na o me ye hwe wo konongo mu a onso betumi afa de bia na ken ye body disciples ye de esisi a amanfo mu a ofa ho a ebetumi ayi wa free traffic mu akọ apart from that fortunately for us ye nyina ya te say president aya announcement a waka me ya te road minister ama ya te ase say konongo just bypass the static and ye a quino akoto krono eti and when we have no say consultants no so aba o ma be identification o ma sha sisi an o mo fata say per compensation mo properties ni o mo ma be affecting me na identify as an na ye ko ye month ya ye ko ram ye president e be catch short amayasa ya ye konongo bypass enti na there are measures I are putting in place. The GDC it will take away the traffic situation
and with the immediate solution, no, as the district chief executive at the Asante Akim Central, Konongo, capital. What's it? It is a Kumase eba na ye Bobby Pono ye tra Konongo Udumase secondary school na traffic na chia. Yemfa himfa.
Mube secondary school kwano.
Okay.
A quine demo secondary school quina do baby pie.
Oh, okay.
Hotel be a friend Alisti Junction.
Okay.
A do be pie now call straight.
Okay.
So if you are crown so bar, Ube Ramu was out with 10 junction. A quine demo do baby pie konongo Udumase secondary school junction.
Oh, okay.
Now also straight
okay. Therefore, ya said that call Asante Akim one and numre. And the video I will show the real situation ewo Konongo udu numra the traffic and how terrible it is. Now, minim sabe 2 years ago, if I'm not mistaken, na get mining galamse atidu ko oya ufri nkran ba en obabe ura Konongo horo kuruna ja ono my go for galamse for to hona me kwan ne fakra buaguma regional minister no the road minister eba ho ananka ebe block that end say krono mu asemna e ho na asem see. Hello Robert.
Yes sir.
Yeah, okay that area no minim say no wa
ba that area no
yeah
but misinformation yes it is true say amount for galamse but amna na da ho no enye galamse amna na man da ho me no ka say sa amna na da so da ho a ye tu ho na mo a enimani mu ya minister ba ama ya feel so ye kwa the contractor ko ho a contractor na start ya o ye feeling no
okay
na fans kakra bi na ama a delay kakra. I am sure a week or two no contract and doesn't back. And the tissue says I hold it down. ABC. Erosion can see a food that be bar.
Okay. Because I did Nasia meaning
sure. I
was part of media team a free can a Kumase buy and you see down ho ehwe ya na kwan no was hanging cars akese kra no ekoso afa ho likely say one day kwan no betimi abu agum.
Yes, that is true. And no na make say as we speak no ye dey ma contractor no crash start adwuma ne kakra. Na I am say France na man ye but I'm told say we're raising the certificate and you may go up very soon, a week or two, or better back home.
But this was almost 3 years ago. Any about who?
Yes, what you are saying, they all can 3 years ago now, but said they may catch on.
Yeah.
Yeah, acquire minimum say highway for war, emergencies are more.
Yes.
So emergencies need any sikasem. What you are saying. So if a buyer contractor do contract on your juma. Contractor ne start adwuma no or yeah or no expectation say baby or the baby will be raising the certificate to be yes can or the atwas until they make coming na say the amasa project need delay and funds but fortunately for us now the contractor have been paid and I'm saying say in a week or two no obeba kwan so aba be yes adwuma na na free.
Okay. One major issue amenya we memfa misa I mean the same year or two ago anagalem say was swap Asante Akim area ho na efie manfo fie kra okodwa so kwan no so a manfo fie na omagye a yetu galem say inside the demoni ade ene motimi control situation no
na me anim ni ene you ba Asante Akim Central efie mu galam say ni no manoma eni hobiem ye tie ni ho ne say fortunately for us who say you can konongo a konongo mines eno ye last year Yankopon da Roma or konongo mines as started omajuma omo ya ene mantie na anadodo na kututu film adwuma no omo afa bia omo start sampling process. I can tell you that you will get over 2,000 boys omo gu mines mu ho omo ye adwuma.
I see.
It is difficult omo sampling projects and so it's difficult for somebody to go so be could feed makwa kutu into that problem no. As I speak to you, no, it is solved.
Oh, okay. Happy to hear that. And more residents say one day yensha dan tutu yemfidi mrana yene mo bedi nkomo. Nti anopay I am more than grateful say when yam ready amaye. Ye benyam re ne yaba konongo ne yaba behwe na nkomo bi aya to aswedi.
You are always welcome.
Me da say. Abizanfo Robert Kwakye district chief executive Edema Asante Akim Central na motene nkano nte konongufo mesremo mu DC ene nnedi nko na mo okurunim mo mfra yen said the DCE kano I don't want to doubt him and I believe say when he did come kama but bibi wo na mo giri say bi kan ya mo pese nya nchire mu a but this is konongu kuronim nie and this is a heavy tech traffic and with him say sad traffic we mu na last time accident see will be police ni bi kra was it no this gentleman Speaker of Parliament and one of the bodyguards and a lot of issues so but number a producer line is 0547 982679 wait me afre mova producer line on Facebook page. This is a very thick and heavy traffic konongo you experience it and okay we are dealing it everywhere 0547 982679 na yenya wompotemu. Good morning. Why didn't line so more than 15 minutes? I'm sorry, but I'm grateful and so forth.